Hello YouTube monoliths, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers for tuning in. So as I'm waiting for my buddy to finish with my buddy build, I think I'm going to build something else. I'm expecting to join a group build pretty soon, so I need something in the interim. So I'm going to build this Ollies special. It's the 41 Plymouth Coupe edition. I've actually never built a Coupe edition, and I've never built any car in the 40s. Most of my builds are late 50s, 60s. I think the earliest built was probably a 32 Deuce Coupe from American Graffiti. So anyway, let's take a look at this. So this is still sealed, $12.99, 41 Plymouth. Comes with the Coke bottles in the case. Looks nice. I don't know whether I'll be using the Coke decals. I think I may not. So let me open up the model and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just noticed that when you peel away the cellophane or the wrapper, the price comes off, because I know some people were saying that the price is on the box. But also you lose this band, this Coca Cola endorsement. So let's take a look at what's inside. So you have chrome with a yellow body. I think at the same time Ollies had the 40 Ford, but for some reason I didn't pick it up. The metal rod, probably for the axle, another one. The Coke bottles, right? It's very nice. White wall tires. The custom wheels. You can build stock with custom. Wow, this bright yellow. I'm actually impressed that it's molded in yellow, because recently a lot of the more recent model kits are molded in white. I guess it's cheaper, or it's easier to paint whatever color you want. Okay, so let me open up the plastic and I'll be right back. Alright, so everything is opened, so let's take a look at the parts really quick. So, two metal axles, you don't need me to review that. The white wall tires, there's no brand on it, just has a size on the black wall side. These custom tires are Goodyears, and they're raised, so you can technically do the jelly roll, but it does say Goodyear. I'm not going to open them because I haven't decided whether I'm going to use these or not. It says Goodyear. Glass is old style, where it's connected front and back, but you can cut them if you want. Coke bottle cases, very nice. The chrome, let's take a look at the chrome. Nice big chrome bumpers. The grille. So the wheel covers. Oh, the car body. Let's take a look at car body. Car body looks very nice. I like that smooth roof integration pillar into the back. That swooping look. Should have separated this before. Nice running board. Need to spray paint the headliner to get rid of that print. Simple interior. Chassis is even more simple, right? Reminds me of a old 32 Ford, just a X cross member. Take a look at the engine. I think it's looks like an inline. Very tall and narrow. The seats, front seats, right? Bench. Lower control arms for the front. A little bit of flashing over there. The hood and looks like the inside engine fender or separates the engine from the wheel. Steering wheel, the hubs. Looks like a simple build. There's an interim build for me, so everything will be rattle canned. I will not be airbrushing. Pipes, oil pan, manifold. Oh, there's another engine block. This is the V8 engine block, so you can build V8 or possibly an inline. Haven't decided whether I want to build stock or custom. Exhaust. Firewall. Some more wheel backs for the custom build. That's the front, the nose. Dash. There is some detail, but hopefully they provide decals. So let's take a look at the decals. Very vibrant red Coca Cola decals, and the white ones as well. I'm leaning not using the Coca Cola decals. Here's instruction sheets. The inline, right? Stock. The custom engine. The V8. Stock or custom wheels. Interior, the body, the stock chassis, the custom chassis, possibly different suspension, I don't know. Final assembly. So my biggest choice is, do I want to build stock or custom? Fat Goodyears or thin white wall Firestones. So from here I'll wash the parts, spray some color, and I'll be right back.